Right. So this is an intro to our AI training backend for automated driving, and it runs on our development X2000 ECU that runs on a Ford Mach-E for lane centering. And check out our YouTube for some test drives in Southeast Michigan. And then here's our basically our training backend. This is where we basically sync all the recorded drives from the vehicle, and then we can train a custom AI model that's using the weights from Openpilot and a custom head that's predicting X and Y steering and velocity. So just to start, if we click on, basically we've got these four apps here: vehicle, replay, simulation, and training. So first in vehicle, we can select a route. And then basically this is the exact same infotainment screen that runs on the CarPlay screen within the Ford Mach-E. And then like here, we've got our model prediction of steering, some statuses, and then basically this is the steering prediction. And this works for full hands-free driving with adaptive cruise control and lane centering in the Ford Mach-E. If we go to replay, we can basically run through these routes, and we've got some stats: steering angle, velocity, gas, blinker, and we can run through these different routes. If we go to simulation, we've got a MetaDrive simulator here that can basically drive in the MetaDrive simulation environment. So we can set cruise control on, we can set auto steer on, and then also, just like in the car, we have cooperative steering, so I can kind of hit the, make the steering wheel turn right or turn left, and then have the system take back over. But basically this simulation environment allows us to kind of just do extra testing before making changes to the vehicle. So we'll let this go through here, this turn, and then I'll pause it and we can jump over to the training. Yep, so this is basically the simulation. Now, if we go into training, we've got here about 200 minutes of driving between Michigan and Chicago. And then we got validation, which is around 20% of the clips. We can train a new model, and we can do network review. So here we have this network from today loaded. And if we go to view data and then validation, we can see here basically green is the Openpilot predictions. And then blue is our actual AI model predictions. And then yellow is the ground truth that's basically captured from recording the yaw rate and the steering angle of the vehicle. And that's our training signal. So basically, you follow the blue line, that's a new model that's trained on top of the Openpilot weights. And then down here in blue, we have basically in 5 seconds and 10 seconds in the future, what are our predicted velocities? And we can scroll through the different clips here. And yeah, so this whole system is basically a training backend to allow iteration of AI models currently for velocity prediction and steering. But then over time, the intention is to be able to run in a data center, capture miles from a fleet, and then have an automated pipeline for continuously making, our goal is safer vehicles with higher performing automated systems. And with that, we're Deepview. Feel free to check us out at deepviewai.com. All right, thanks. Have a great day.